How did I qualify in Neet PG in just 3 months? Yes, you heard it right. In just 3 months of preparation, I have successfully qualified in the Neet PG exam. Note that this is my personal strategy which I am presenting to you, but it is somewhat modified so that you can do much better than just getting qualified marks. So I'm dividing into two categories: those persons who did not start any subject till now, and those who have completed few subjects till now. And those who have completed few subjects, I'll do a separate video for them. You can close this video now. Those persons who did not complete any subject till now, the best thing you can do in this point of time is you have to purchase Prepladder's rapid revision along with the rapid revision notes. An important alternative, very pretty good alternative for Prepladder rapid revision is that you can purchase eGurukul's LMRP plan. Even that's pretty good. If you are not able to afford in purchasing new plan, you can borrow the account from your friends, but definitely follow Prepladder's rapid revision. It's pretty great. So I'm telling you the effective plan which must be implemented from November 1st to February 28th in very religious manner. In the month of November, you have to definitely finish all the short subjects like ENT, ophthalmology, anesthesia, psychiatry, etc. By doing short subjects in this month, you'll get lots and lots of confidence. And with this confidence, with this josh, you'll be able to complete all the subjects in effective way. Please note that do not do any MCQs or GDs during this month. Why I am saying this is because the main agenda is to complete all the subjects first. If you don't complete the subjects, what's the reason in doing MCQs? First you have to complete all the subjects. If you want, if there is time, you can ignore anatomy and biochemistry. If there is sufficient time, you can happily do them. There's nothing wrong in doing that. But the main thing is you definitely should not ignore any of the short subjects. They are scorers. I'm warning you, they are definitely scorers. You should not ignore short subjects like ENT, ophthalmology, anesthesia, etc. You have to do each short subject in 1 or 2 days maximum. Don't spend more than that. In 2 days you have to finish it no matter what. Even if there's earthquake, you have to finish that. That's all. In the month of December, do medicine, OBG and surgery only from rapid revision notes. Don't touch the videos. First priority give to the notes. Just read the notes. If you don't understand any topic just by reading the notes, only then do rapid revision videos, not the main version. Even if you don't understand the topic, even in the rapid revision videos, only then go for main version of videos. Otherwise, stick to the notes only. See, if you do longer version videos, you'll understand better. I accept it, but there's very little time. There are just 4 months for the Neet PG. In this time, you can't spend your quality time in watching long version videos. In the month of January, this is very important. In the month of January, do only rapid revision MCQs and don't do other MCQs. Only and only rapid revision MCQs, and carefully read the explanation part. You have to identify all the important points and read them very carefully. If you are not able to remember something from the explanation, note it down very briefly in a separate book. Maintain a separate book and name it as factual book. In that notes, on the other side of the notes, note down the important frontliners like mutation, genes, SPM values, etc. That will be very helpful. You definitely have to put that no matter what. And in the month of February, do only previous year MCQs of Neet PG, INI, CET and even FMG. Because the subjects are the same, and the question paper preparations, paper setter is the same. All the question papers are set by NBE only. The next thing is bookmark the questions which you don't understand and revise these bookmark notes in the last 10 to 15 days. Do 2 GTs in this month. Make sure that you do GTs in the official time of the exam. Last year the exam time was in the morning, so I did GT in the morning time. So now March 1st till the day before the exam, till 1 day before the exam, revise those bookmarks. definitely you have to finish all the bookmarks. See, if you bookmark lots and lots of questions, you won't be able to revise. Bookmark only the important ones and which you don't understand at all. In this way, you can minimize revision time. And then revise only incorrect previous year MCQs. Previous year MCQs of only Neet, none other, not others like INSCT or FMG. Revise only incorrect previous year MCQs and carefully read their explanations. And then revise factual book. All those BRCA genes and all those numerical values you have to revise. And the main thing, short but very important thing, read only during the morning time. Don't read till midnight. If you study till midnight, there will be lots of disturbances. Since there's only a few days before the exam, your circadian rhythm gets disturbed and you won't get proper sleep. And one day before the exam, do not touch the books at any cost. Listen to good music. Do not listen Arjit songs or any other sad song. There will be few songs related to your love or ex-girlfriend or whatever maybe. Don't listen to such songs. If you listen them, you'll definitely go somewhere. You'll get lost in her feelings. If you are bored, only then revise only the factual book. Don't touch any other book. Revise the factual book only. That's all. And eat dinner by 9 p.m. 7 p.m. and sleep by 9 p.m. Yes, 9 p.m. because because of anxiety we won't be able to sleep at proper time. If you go to bed by 9 p.m. you'll get sleep by 10 or 11 p.m. or for some people by 12 p.m. So that's the reason why I'm saying that you have to go to bed by 9 p.m. And bonus tips, here are the bonus tips. You have to meditate daily. There's lots of difference in a person who meditate and in a person who do not meditate. This will change you a lot. I personally did Bhastrika and Anulom Vinol Pranayam. This helps me concentrate more. Also, if you are a Hindu, do Surya Namaskar and pray your God. This will give you a major impact. This is very little thing, but it will definitely give you a major impact. If you have treadmill, you can do treadmill at 4 kilometers per speed. Not more than that. Do only 4 kilometers speed. If in case you are average average income person or middle class person like me, do jogging for 10 minutes at maximum speed. This will give you the boost, the josh, early morning josh. If you have the josh early in the morning, you'll do very great throughout the day. Each and every person is addicted to Instagram these days, so even I am addicted of Instagram and those cringe reels. So instead of Instagram, watch memes on the Pinterest, not on the Instagram. In the Pinterest you don't get addicted and there won't be there'll be little amount of adult memes. Because of adult memes there will be lots of disturbances. If you want, watch memes only on Pinterest. And one more thing, stay confident all the time. If you lose confidence, fix in mind that you are going to not even qualify the exam. And a small gift from my side to you, I have found these coupon codes online. You can apply this coupon code PREPD98M for the prep ladder and CHA40 for the eGurukul LMRP plan. These both codes apply on all the packs in respective apps. If you want, you can contact them. Here is their number and avail the best possible discount, and all the best for your exam.